Hello from Tea Sommelier Italia. Many people think that making good tea simple requires choosing quality leaves, but in reality, the most important ingredient is water. Today I'll show you how the aroma and flavor of the same tea change when using different waters and temperatures. I use the same tea, a tea guanine, but I only change two factors, the type of water and the temperatures. Let's see what happens together. In the meantime, remember to like and select the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. As you may have noticed, starting last week, our videos are published twice. On Fridays the Italian version is published, and on Saturdays the English version is published. Help us grow by commenting and liking our videos, please. At the lowest temperatures, the tea develops sweetness and delicacy, while at higher temperatures, more body and astringency emerge. Unchanged water. Oh, they are very different. With soft water, the tea is clear and floral. With hard water, it becomes opaque and more bitter. The mineral content changes the expression. This one at 70 grades has a rounded, sweet and very balanced flavor. At 90 grades, however, the tannins are immediately evident, with more body but also more astringency. The difference between soft and hard water is incredible. The former leaves the palate clean, the latter weighs down. Let me know if you're interested in the topic of water and tea pairings, and if you'd be interested in reels or shorts comparing different mineral waters and pairing specific waters with teas. As you have seen, water is the invisible ingredient that changes everything. Now I'm curious, do you use tap water or mineral water for your tea? Let me know in the comments. If you found the video helpful, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and watch one of the latest videos on how to recognize quality tea at a glance. See you soon, bye bye! Ciao!